So, hello and welcome to the next video for creating TicTacToe, TikTok, not TikTok, but TicTacToe. TikTok should be way more complicated to create, but here we see that we have a plan for doing the routes, and we already have a game field, and we have a player that can put in some coordinates to fill the field. And we have already done this now for player 1. We also want to do this for player 2, and we can do this just by copying the cell and paste. So the only difference is here we have player 2 and player 2 and player 2 and player 2, and it's not an X, but the circle. So I will just put an O in it. So if we evaluate this, and we now evaluate this, we can put in here 1, 1, and now we would think that here is a circle in it. That's actually at least what we expect. And as you can see, this there is a circle in it. Now player 1 and player 2 has done its move. Very nice. This is working really good. So the next thing what we would need to do is that we alternate these inputs. So we want this to happen first, then we want this to happen, and we want to alternate this. And by how can we do that? I think the best way is to put this in some kind of loop. I mean, the loop, we can just create a loop at maximum. It will be how many alternating moves? 1, 9. It will be 5 alternating moves because we have 9 fields, and one player will have 4 moves, second player, and the first player will have 5 moves. So it's 5 moves. So let's, for the sake of ease, just create a loop and yeah, put this in. Let me just delete the field again by evaluating this. So let me output the game. Yeah, okay, it's nice. We can see that it's empty again. So let's say for each turn, we'd call this turn in the range of 5. Is 5 the range? Let me just check it. Range 5. I think it should be 5. How can I print this? I need to evaluate it as list. Then we can see what this actually is. Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, it's exactly what I expected it to be. So let's delete that cell again. We don't need that. We don't need that as well. So let's just do it, and let's say for each turn in range 5. So we have a maximum. Oops, I evaluated this. This is directly the error, but of course we don't have here anything that we act on. So now we can copy this here. Copy cell. And can't I paste it like that? What's the problem? Don't know. Let's check. Paste cell below. Okay, let's try again. Copy this. Paste this. Okay, now it's working nice. So let's not forget the tabs here. So we have player 1, now we have player 2. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. So now we have for each turn, let's comment this, turn player 2 and turn player 1. So this should work in my opinion. Let's check it. So as you can see, let me evaluate this. Cell not. Ah, okay, okay. Okay, I forgot something, but it's an empty field now, so let's do this again. So 1, 1. Yeah, it's working. So each player takes their turn. And can I want this to stop actually. Okay, let's just. Oh, this is going on for. Yeah, for. Okay, that works. It's a bit inconvenient now because we don't output the wheel after each turn, and that is what we should do. So we could here, of course, put in the output, and we do that now. But after that, we will simplify it a bit. So let's put in the output after each turn. Here, here. So let's evaluate this again. Okay, what's the error? Ah, I forgot the tab here and the tab here. So okay, so 1, 1. Okay, I forgot also to clean the field up again. So let's empty it. Oh yeah. How can I abort this input? Abort input in Jupyterlab. Let's see. CC. Okay, let's try it. Of course it doesn't work. Stop. Stop is good. Okay, nice. No, it does not really work. Let me check. Ah, it works. Okay, nice. Good. Then I just need to stop here. What is the shortcut? Nothing. Okay, great. But now the playing field should be empty, and as you can see, it's empty here. And now we evaluate this again. So we expect, yeah, this is working fine. So player 1 has now put the X. Now we put the circle. Now player 1 can do another move. And that is already looking quite good. So let's say player 2 puts in one here. And now, oh, no. Okay, yeah, it's working fine. So we have now put in each player's, so we can stop this here. Yeah, but now each player takes its turn, and that's already a nice state of the game. And see you next time.